Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can subscribe or unsubscribe to newsletter in the Sephora app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Sephora app. Then go to your profile on the bottom right corner. Then here you can see subscribe. And if it's green, that you are subscribed to the newsletter, SMS, or other options. But if it's gray, then you turned off this option. If you turn off, then you have to save and continue. Tap on save and continue. Then it will remain turned off. If you turn just the newsletter back on, for example, then you have to save and continue, and it is saved. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.